guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I managed to take my hair from super curly to super straight. Like, this is the first time I ever done my hair. Like, I cannot believe it. I'm so gassed by what I've done. I've never done this before in my life. So if I can do it, I'm sure you can do it. Literally, it just takes a long time. So patience and some bundles and a needle and thread, and you're good to go. Like, so yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I did it. So we're just going to start out with parting the hair. The little bits at the front are not going to be K-mode or straightened. I'm just going to leave them behind as I don't want to damage them. And the middle bit is the leave out, and the K-mode on the side, that's where we're going to start the K-modes. I'm just gonna straighten more of the hair. This is the little leave out bit that I've got. Let me explain to you guys what I've done. So as you can see, there's a little tiny camera hair, which is for my like just the front of my hair. I didn't want to camera it, I didn't want to straighten it, because I'm not letting the front of my hair get nyam out for nobody, like nothing. So I'm just gonna straighten my hair just properly, because I didn't do it properly, just to show you guys how I'm blending it with the bundles. So I've used 2 and a tiny bit of, I don't even want to say 2.5, because it isn't 2.5 at all. I used 2 and like not even a quarter, like a fifth of the 3rd bundle. I didn't want to overdo the head with too much hair, because that's how people get those like block, I don't know how to explain it, you know what I mean, those block heads, and I didn't want that. That wasn't the look that I was going for. I can't believe I've done this myself. I'm in complete shock. I have never ever done weave or any type of weaving or any type of extensions in my hair. So the fact that I've done this, you know, for the first time, and it's turned out decent. Like, I would need a hairdresser to tell me what I did wrong. My mum used to be a hairdresser when she was younger, so, and she was a really good hairdresser as well, so she was really shocked and surprised, and she was really you know, proud of your girl. Okay, so this is my hair. Oh, see, it's just blending in really well. This is my hair, and this is the bundle. So it's only, this is 18 inches, so it's only, you know, a couple of inches off. I might say that my hair is 14 inches, maybe at best. If I cut the split ends, then it would probably, I don't know, maybe it'd be like 10 or something. I don't want to over straighten my hair, because I don't even straighten my hair. Like, I've had my hair in extensions and K-rows for the whole of lockdown, so for 3 months straight, and even before that I was not straightening my hair. So I just don't straighten my hair, but obviously now I have to because of the front. But I want to try and straighten it as, you know, as little as possible. So I'm just going to take this Tresemme hairspray and I'm going to spray it on my hand like so, and as it's still wet, then I'm going to just pat it and then blend it down. That way, if the hair's straight, I'm done. If I put the hairspray on my hair, it should just lock in that kind of, it should blend with the bundle, because I ain't got time for it. I'm crazy when I go and have a shower. Like, I'll have a scarf on my head and then I'll have a shower cap. I'm not trying to get my hair wet. My hair's natural, so it will go right back to curly. It's like, it's nothing. It's nothing for my hair to go back to curly. So yeah, I'm just so proud. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me try and show you guys. I'm in shock. I'm in actual shock. So yeah, let's turn that straightener off, because I won't be needing that again for another month. So I got the bundles from Vanlov hair. So I got it from Vanlov hair, I think, and this is the bundle that's left. As you can see, that looks like a whole entire bundle, and this as well. This came from this packet too. So as I said, like, I think I basically just used 2 bundles. It was extremely hard. I just had a black needle and thread, came-rowed my hair. As I tried my best to show you guys how I did it, but it was really, really hard to film it myself and to do it myself, because I just couldn't see. Like, I was literally like hurting my eyes so much trying to like look up at the camera and try and show you guys how I was sewing it. You just have to try and sew the cane-rows like tightly down, and then just try and make sure that, you know, the bit that you've kind of like sewn together, the ends of your hair, make it as flat as possible, so that when you do put the track on there, it's not bumpy and it can be flat and it looks just as natural and as real as possible. You guys, I'm so happy with the results, and if you live in London, like, message me because I will do your hair. Like, a girl's an entrepreneur at hair. No, seriously, I will do your hair for a cheaper, like, for a huge discount, because obviously I'm practicing and I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm totally up for the challenge because I am just so gassed. This is the first time I've ever done it. The hair is really soft. As you can see, I've straightened it. I haven't washed it or anything like that. It hasn't shredded or anything. It's still soft, it's still flowy and just light, and it feels really nice. It claims to be human hair, but you never know with these companies. I thought the company was black owned, but now I'm actually not quite sure, so I'm going to do more investigation and I will tell you. I'll probably put it at the end of the video if I found out if they're black owned or not. If they are, then I will leave a link so that you guys can, you know, go and support the cause, okay? But yeah, I'm so happy with this. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.